Navien is the premier brand of high-efficiency condensing tankless water heaters, combi boilers, and boilers. Since 1978, Navien products have been shipped from the global headquarters in South Korea to over 30 countries around the world. Today, more than 2 million Navien tankless water heaters, boilers, and combi boilers have been sold in the United States and Canada. Product development and engineering teams in North America and South Korea collaborate to develop key domestic market solutions that meet the highest levels of efficiency and strictest safety standards on a global scale. These innovative solutions are manufactured and assembled by Navien at our world-class facility in Sutton, South Korea. The newly constructed 575,000 square foot manufacturing campus features multiple state-of-the-art factories, each with a distinct function. The heat exchanger and pump motor factories manufacture these critical product components from start to finish using quality raw materials. A separate factory develops the product's electronics and controls, and the main assembly line constructs the final product using these Navien-designed and built parts. Advanced robotic automation fuels the entire production process, ensuring the highest levels of consistency and precision in manufacturing and production. Over 50 robotic fixtures and miles of conveyor produce more than 2 million tankless water heaters, combi boilers, and boilers each year, with rigorous quality tests and inspections built into each step. Each Navien unit goes through 30 quality tests, including hands-on inspections by Navien engineers, and robotic imaging to confirm that every piece is in its proper place and performing at optimal levels. Once the product is assembled, tested, and cleared for distribution, the automated process continues through product packaging and warehousing, where robotic systems box, inventory, and prep thousands of products for shipping. Navien's commitment to innovation, paired with its steadfast dedication to safety and quality, has produced award-winning products that have made Navien the market leader for condensing tankless water heaters, combi boilers, and wall-hung boilers in North America. From using quality raw materials to manufacturing our components in-house and utilizing advanced manufacturing techniques, Navien's practices reflect our dedication to pursuing the highest levels of business, technology, and service for our customers at home and around the world. Thanks for watching. To keep up